Hello everyone. So today we will try to make design displayed in this application. You may see a lot of different buttons here, and our target in this video to create a suitable code which can make all of them into the proper location. Okay, so let's start. So the source code is already created, so we will start from the new project. New. Okay, so this is our new project. So we can see the empty project with no information given. And in the beginning, this is application which supposed to display the hello world in the middle. Okay, so here you may discover some error. Okay. Rendering problem, missing constraint in constraint layout. If you experienced that problem before, so what we can do is to go styles and right here add base. So, okay, so now it came back. So we will delete all of our components. So the first, what is here is the text, edit text widget. So let's edit first. So our edit text widget. Okay, I will call it text. So here, check. And let's make that proper widget occupy the complete screen of our application. Okay, now I need to place buttons. Okay, once again, coming back to our device. So here is our application. So one by one, we are going to create those buttons. Okay, let's start. First button. Let's place it here. Okay, we have to connect it to our other widgets. So the left side will be connected to the corner, and upper bound will be connected to our edit text in the top of our application. So here, this is our button 7. Let's call it 7. Click property. Click 7. And here, that's supposed to be 7. Okay. Now, the button became this side. Okay, now we need to fix the size of this button. So our button should be smaller. Let's use the size 70 dp. Okay. Yeah. Here I use 50. Use 50 in order to make it same. 50. Okay, this is our button. Now we can create a second button here. Okay, let's connect it here and here. Okay, so this is our button 8. Here the same 50 dp. Click 8 and 8. Okay. Okay, so now how can I now how to create those buttons in the more systematic way? Okay, so we can go to text and now handle all of our items in as the text component. So here 7, 8, 7, 8. This is button 7. Okay. First, let's move it a little bit from that border. So here is 8. Let's make 15. Okay, so that. Okay, so here 8, 8. Assume this is correct. Now, what if I want to place my button 9 here? I don't really need to place my button using the design. I can just copy this source. This is my button 9. So the text, what it will display is 9. Okay, the distances will be same, size same. So we can see this 9 appeared here. I just need to assign the proper location for this button. Okay, so we will play with those two components. Constraint start to end of button 7. But my button 9 should be next to the button 8. Okay, so that's why here I will place the button 8. And our button will move to this position. Okay, now the next I will place these 3 buttons, 4, 5, and 6. They're supposed to locate it here. So what I will do, I will again copy these 3 buttons. Okay, this is our button 4, this is our button 5, this is our button 6. Okay, so text 4, 5, 6. Okay, now the first button 4, it is located here. So, but the second parameter here will identify where is my button in respect of the other buttons. So you see my button 7 is being connected to like left side and my text. So now our button 4 is connected to the left side of the screen and my text. But instead of the my text, I will write button 7. Okay, my button 4 move to the original position, the position what I want to place for this button. Okay, also we'll change our click property to the proper numbers. Okay, and same I will do here. So see the button 5 is located here. So that should be that button should be next to the button 4. So that's why here I will place button 4, and here that should be next to the button 8. Okay, and my button 5 move to the correct position. Same I will do here. So that will be my button 5 and button 9. Okay, so similar I can do for the 3 other buttons. So this is our button. So here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 3. Okay, so similar I can correct those buttons. See, here the button is 4. So here that should be 1, and button 5. So here button 3, it should be 2, and the button 6. Okay, so in using this similar way, we can fulfill the all other buttons, make them all together. Okay, so now actually in our application there are like few other buttons here. So let's add few of them. So here, I will copy this button 3, and let's create this button delete. Okay, so button delete. So the text is del delete. Okay, now how can I handle this processing? So the button is supposed to be here. So the first, let's define upper bound. So this is my text, edit text. Here that should be my text. Okay, and here the to button off. So this is the our string. So here it's supposed to be button 9. Okay, so a little mistake. So here that's supposed to be here is my text. Okay, so the button is located here. So now I will need to move it a little bit to make that particular distance. So those two parameters we can control here. Margin start. So let's okay, now delete. Move here. So in one by one we can like create all other buttons. So I will pause and complete that design. Okay, so by like doing the same, we can complete our design. So in here there is one more button equal. So let's make it like big, which will unify like two buttons together. So in order to do this, okay, just copy one more button. We'll create one more button. So we'll call this button equal, and here equal. So that is located at the end of next to the button dot, and below button multiply. Okay, so the distance here that's supposed to be 30. Okay, so here the distance is supposed to be 30, but see the size of this button is 50. So we can simply change this number and make that button big. Yeah, that's all. So now we just need to run our application to see how it looks like. in the design part. Now we do have our complete design of our calculator. Yeah, design new. This is our application. Design new. Okay, that's all. This is the way how to create the design of the calculator or any other application where there are many like different buttons.